Hello, everybody. Welcome to 2022. It is the Great Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And we know what we are about at Grange. We never forget that the G stands for a great caring attitude. We really care. The R of Grange is we're really trying our best. The A is we're always learning, especially from our mistakes. When we make a mistake, it doesn't always feel nice, but we learn from our mistake, and then our mistake is worth it. I'm going to skip the N, go to the G, second G. We are always going for improvement and progress, our PB, our personal best. And the E is our education. And what does that help us do? Make great choices as we go along in life. And then we didn't forget it, the N is for never giving up, because we are CC learners. And that is us, the people of Grange. And we know at Grange that our true strength is our character strength. We know that's when we're confident, when we believe in ourselves, when we are considerate, when we care about everybody around us, we make the world a better place for ourselves and for everybody in it. Confidence and consideration. What a powerful combination, and that's what we have at Grange. Yes, some Grange people of power give us hope. Well, all the Grange parents and carers who looked after their children in the Christmas holiday and break and gave us back our children of Grange to come to school in 2022. All the Grange adults, oh my goodness, the teachers, the educators, the Grange staff just care about and help our children of Grange to learn and make loads of progress. And of course, best of all, the Grange children who give great Grange CC salutes, star sitting, CC walking. Amazing. All our Grange children who welcome new children, make them feel safe and happy. We get new children at Grange all the time because we are the greatest school in the galaxy and people always want to come to us. Also, all the Grange Year 3 children, I've got to say, you have settled so well into your new classrooms. Just brilliant, brilliant. You just handle challenges, new changes. Wow. Just brilliant. Year 3 children, give yourselves a pat on the back and a superhero round of applause. You are brilliant. Rukia, on Friday when we were waiting at home time, your positive feedback and your great joke. Miss Huth said, did you have a good day? And you said, I didn't have a good day. And I was thinking, what are you going to say? You said, I had an excellent day. So that was a great positive feedback and joke. And Olivia, for her wisdom, Olivia was trying out her roller skates at the end. I think that's what they're called, roller skates, at the end of the day on Friday. And I said, Olivia, what's going to happen if you fall? She said, I'll get right back up again. That's us in life. If you fall down, you get back up again. So thank you, everybody. Grange People of Power giving us hope. There's the wiggle. And that's the wisdom wiggle. And let's see our character strength focus. Well, today I'm going to talk about the power of family. And at Grange, we know that it's not just about who we are, but about always becoming our best. And we know that we do CC walking. The way we go, we walk along in life, embracing the challenge. We do star sitting. We sit and we learn and we listen. And we know that there's no substitute for each of us. Each of us has to live our very best life. So what is the superpower of the day is family. So I've put a lovely sign of here. Family is power. Also wrote, our family is a circle of strength and love. If you think of the people in your family and they're around you, they really care about you. I mean, sometimes we fight with our brothers and sisters. Sometimes families fight a little bit. But at the end of the day, when the challenges are there, when the world is being tough for them, then you know you can count on your family. And that's what I wrote over here, is that family, it isn't always blood. I mean, family is amazing when if it's a mother, a father, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, grandparents, all the people who are related to you by blood, that's incredible. But then family isn't always blood. It's your people, your friends, your classmates, your brothers, your sisters, the people who care about you, your classmates, your teachers and educators, your whole Grange community. We are like a family because we care about each other. We look out for each other, and we want the best for each child of Grange, for each adult of Grange, that we should succeed. If we are learning, if we are teaching, we do our best, we become our best, we make great progress and get great success. And we do it together as a circle of strength and love. And that's Grange very much. I feel it's a school, but it's also a community, and it's not just a community, it's a family. We really look after each other and we look out for each other. So in your feedback forum time, you've got, especially Holmes, I know you've got a brilliant book. Ennis, you've got an amazing book as well. I know your feedback book has been a while, but if you can find your feedback book, get your post-it notes. And this is what I want you to discuss. You can pause over here a little bit. Is just, we know that family means when we care for each other unconditionally. It's not I care for you because you can give me something. I care for you because you're my brother or my sister or my parents or my children. I care for you. That's what family means, unconditionally. It means we look out for each other like brothers and sisters look out for each other. So I want you to think, what makes our school Grange, like a family? What makes it like that? Because it really feels like that to me. And I know when talking to all of you, it feels like that we are a family at Grange. So what makes our school Grange like a family? What is it? You can pause the video over here and do your feedback forum with your teacher, with your educator, as you're watching for the assembly. This is our great start for 2022, so get some great feedback into me, please. So yes, some Grange thoughts. Always keep us there focused. We're all connected because we live in the same great Grange school. And because we're connected, if you've got a problem, then I don't say, well, that's your problem, not my problem. I say, your problem is my problem, and I will help you. And my problem, I know, is your problem, and you will help me. It's actually what makes us a bit of a family as well. And I see myself for who I am, and I respect all of me. That's my confidence boost. And I see you for all of who you are, respect all of you, and that's my considerate boost. And that's the CC way. So who are our class top champions? Kaylin and Matisse has had a brilliant start. Shahir, Sawain, and Omar in Klee, and Saba in Klee. You've started brilliantly 2022. And in Beckham, Amara started brilliantly. Paris, amazing. Ahmed, brilliant start in Beckham. Hordan as well in Beckham, great start. Yaqub in Ennis, a fantastic start. Ramanullah, brilliant start, and what a brilliant smile I always see, and a great CC salute from you. You're a CC champion, Ramanullah. Hasunat in Ennis also been great smiles this last week, thank you. Uzair Holmes, brilliant start. Maria Villa, brilliant start, and Ruel. You have been coming into Grange like a champion, and you've had a champion week. Well done, class champions. So this week, it was only Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, already almost 10,000 points. So that's brilliant. And let's see our classy classes. Well, Klee class, good start for you. It was only Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Matisse class, power. But the classy class, and carrying on from last term, Holmes class with 611 CC points. You can see it's quite close over there, but Holmes class, well done. You finished last term brilliantly, and you started this term brilliantly. So our term target, wow. Okay, I've been crazily ambitious. I've said maybe we can get to, look at that number, see how many zeros are there. And just for a moment, look at it and think, okay, what is that number? Because it's huge. I'm going to tell you, it's 500,000. That is the same as 500,000 points. That is a huge number. Now, so far, we've got 270,629 CC power points banked from the autumn term, which means we'll need to get 229,371 points in the spring term. Can you see why maths is so important? And the secret that I learned with maths, if you say, I love maths, and I just go for it and I do my best, math says, I respect you, and gives you some excellent progress as well. So have a great attitude in maths. It's a secret. So there we go. So we're being ambitious. So we're aiming for 229,371 points in the spring term, and we've got about 10,000 of them so far in just 3 days. So well done to everybody. And I'm going to say, who are we at Grange? Well, we're powerful, we're kind, we are loved, we are Grange, and we are going to make it. We're going to make loads of progress. We are going to achieve progress and great outcomes and great attainment. We are going to listen so we learn, and we are going to do so we learn, and we are going to succeed. And if we make a mistake, we won't give up. We just say, I learned from a mistake, and we just improve. Well done, Grange people. So we've had the reindeer, we've had the hamsters, and Holmes class. I gave you a Guinness World Records 2022 book as well for being classiest class last term. So let's keep it up, everybody. Let's just have a brilliant term, and we'll work out what the treat will be for Classy Class for Spring 1. Let's just give ourselves a CC salute, hand on heart, be your best. Do not look to the right or the left or worry about anybody else. Just believe in yourself. That is critical. Give yourself confidence and look at our beautiful planet, our beautiful world. And no matter how many terrible things we might see on the news and hear on the news, we circle outwards. We are going to do our bit to make our world beautiful. So let's be considerate. Make our world beautiful. So confidence, consideration, CC salute. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead in 2022. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.